Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon review. This is really good company. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. This is Quick and Brite jewelry cleaner. This stuff is really good. And it comes with a little starter pack. Comes with a couple brushes. And like I said, really good stuff. Comes with this brush. This little brush. Got this thing on it too. And then this one also. So check them out, YouTubers. You will not be disappointed with this stuff. We're going to keep it under 3 minutes. Just got to pour it in. There's a spray bottle, or you could just pour it in. Depends on what you're cleaning. Average time about 3 minutes. Full clean. You can clean it twice if you need to. But check them out though. Holiday season's coming up. Great for birthdays. Just mix it in. That's what it looks like. Do not drink it. Definitely not safe to drink. But all I gotta do is mix it in there. Hopefully you guys can see. There it goes. That's it. Mix it up nice and easy. Let it soak for about 3 minutes. Then he's going to remove it. I got my towel ready. Here we go. Here we go. Under 2 minutes. There we go. Got to clean it up. Nice. So like I said, check them out. You get the brush. Got to scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Gently wipe, and it does come with a cloth. I just misplaced it right now, but it does come with a cloth also. So really cool. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Quick and Brite on Amazon Prime. Take advantage of the fast shipping. Hope everyone had a good day. Be safe, and see you guys soon.